RootEdu. In this video, I'm going to teach you the types of fractions. I'm going to make this video in two parts. In this video, I'll teach you the types of fractions, and in my next video, I'm going to teach you addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division of fractions. First of all, what is a fraction? A fraction is a part of a whole number, like 1 by 2. Here, 1 is the numerator and 2 is the denominator. So there are 5 types of fractions: proper fractions, improper fractions, mixed fractions, like fractions, and unlike fractions. Proper fractions are the fractions which have the numerator, for example a, is smaller than their denominator b. For example 1 by 2 or 3 by 5, etc. Here you can see 1 is smaller than 2 and 3 is smaller than 5. So we can say that these are proper fractions. Improper fractions. They are the fractions where the numerator which is bigger than the denominator. For example 3 by 2 or 7 by 5. Here 3 is greater than 2 and 7 is greater than 5. So we can say that these are improper fractions. So now we know what proper fractions and improper fractions mean. What are mixed fractions? Mixed fractions are a combination of a whole number and a proper fraction. For example 1 2 by 3. Here in mixed fractions we can't have a whole number plus an improper fraction like 3 by 2. This will be wrong. Examples of mixed fractions are 1 2 by 3 or 5 7 by 9. Like fractions, there are two or more fractions with the same denominator, like a by b, c by b, d by b, etc. So for example 3 by 7, 5 by 7 and 6 by 7. Unlike fractions, they are the opposite of like fractions. There are two or more fractions which have different denominators, like 1 by 2, 3 by 5, 6 by 7, etc.